Hi again, Doug here for PyroFlip RC. Well, you can see today we're in the shop. We're going to be doing these reviews and overviews from inside the shop here, so you're going to hear the street that's right here to my right, people going by honking. It's California, you may hear a lot of honking. You're also going to see, even every once in a while, you might see people walking around and packing orders to get them sent to you so that we can send it like we always try to do. So let's get to this review today. Today is of the Lethal Conception SR-5. This is a really interesting frame overview. Alright guys, here it is. This is the Lethal Conception, straight to us from France. We are the only dealer in the US that can be carrying these, so we're official US dealer. And you know, let's hit right off is value. I think this is a really good value for what you get. $54.99. You know, comes with the TP mounted accessory, so you've got your micro camera TP mount in the front, mount for your antennas, mount for your SMA, 4 soft mounts, and a nice, looks to be neoprene battery pad, and that's all that is all included, and that's a really nice thing at this price point for me. Countersunk screws all the way around. It does have interlocking arms. I don't know if you can see that on camera, and those interlocking arms go into 4 press nuts, and super stiff T300 carbon, and so it should be really nice and durable. I don't know if I said it is weighing in at 76 grams, so it should be really good racer. You can run the battery on top if you want, kind of toilet bowl style, or on the bottom. And it has some really cool accessories that are available. One of them is a really cool camera mount for your session. You can see it's adjustable, really easy just to kind of ratchet that in and adjust it to where you want to be. So if you're you know, flying in some place that you kind of need to get a little less angle on it, it's really easy to do, and that's a really nice option. The other option is this really cool spoiler, and you know, I don't know a lot about what this does except for they say that it mounts here on the front. This is an added accessory, and when you're off and on the throttle, it helps you, allows you to kind of keep that pitch forward. So that's available. We also were given a few of these. Now this is obviously for like an axis antenna and an Immortal T mount. So for guys, if you're running Crossfire, we've only got a few of these, so you can put in the comment, and until these run out, you know, just say, hey, I've got a, can you throw in the Crossfire mount? And you know, until we run out of these, we'll just throw these in for free. But you know, I think again, this is one well worth the look, especially considering the price. Everything is chamfered all the way from the arms to, you know, all the carbon fiber plates. So that's really about it. Got Sush kind of chiming in the background there. I hope you guys are having a great day. From all of us at PyroFlip RC, hope you get some time to fly.